machine is readily available from stock. It is a Kitamura Mitronian 4G from Dugard, and Sia here is a walking brochure for this machine. So who is this aimed at, Sia?
This aimed at all different industries from aerospace, automotive, medical.
It's a very accurate machine, isn't it? Very rigid.
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
And a powerful spindle too.
Yeah, it's a BT40 15,000 RPM a spindle with 15 kilowatt power, very powerful. That gives you the ability to machine all different kind of materials from aluminium to titanium.
And the table, that trunnion, very popular. What are the benefits of this setup?
All of the trunnions on my trunnion series from Kitamura, they are roller cam gears, which means that they got zero backlash and helps the customers to hold really tight tolerances up to 2 microns.
And the top here, so it's automation ready as a machine, but what's this? This is all about access too, isn't it?
This sliding door basically makes the trunnion more accessible. So if you have bigger parts up to 550 diameter, you can move your crane, open this sliding door and put your workpiece on the trunnion.
We're not going to give everything away, but one more thing as well is this control. It's very modern, very contemporary now.
Yeah, that's Kitamura own design aromatic MI controller, which comes with 15-inch screen. All of the controls are Wi-Fi enabled, so you can transfer all of your programs through Wi-Fi.
And people talk about having a fast control. Why is that good? Why is that going to benefit a machine operator?
Especially when you look at 5-axis machining, you need the control to be able to process the blocks of the program quite quick, which aromatic MI gives you up to 9,200 blocks processing speed.
And what does that ultimately do for me, having a fast control?
It helps you having a better surface finish and also reduce the cycle times.
Right, we're not going to give everything away. Thank you so much, Sia. But this is the Mitronian 4G from, well, it's a Kitamura machine, but from Dugard, and guess what? Available in stock now.